Welcome back. Today we will talk about how to repair a pneumatic cylinder. This is a perfectly new cylinder, so there is no issue, but usual symptoms. When cylinder is moving too fast or too slow because there's some resistance, cylinder is going not smooth. It's like going with this jogging, hissing sound from the rod or from valve. I spoke a little bit about this in my troubleshooting video. Please check it. Also, it can be physical damage like bent rod or broke the thread or some profile problems. But most likely, if it's so bad, it's a good idea to order a new one cylinder. And if you need a video about how to measure it, I will leave it here because if there's a physical damage, it means that cylinder won't last long because most likely there's invisible problems also there. And okay, now let's disassemble cylinder, take off old seals, put new ones. I will put old ones because I don't have new one. Then we will assemble it back and test the cylinder. Uh, this cylinder don't have other part. It have here threads, so it's even easier just to screw it out. Okay, we unscrew it. Let's take off back cap. Oop. As you see here, we have O-ring, and to seal this end cap, theoretically we also have here damper ring. Let's put it away for a second and take out our rod. As you see, piston rod has this extension here, and this needed because when cylinder goes to the end of its stroke, it goes in here, and this is part when um, damper is working. It's like ear brake, just to not hear all the time this sound when cylinder hitting the cups. How you see here we have rubber bumper, uh, this centering ring magnet, so switches, uh, switch to activate switches, and this O-ring that is the seal, and the other side also is the sender. This one is not disassembling bore, so we can here change only magnet and seal, not all bore, but it is good enough. Another side we have same like cap with O-ring, also with this damper ring, and yeah, nothing special. We also need to check inside of our profile that there won't be any scratches or dirt or something, because if there's any scratches or we left there dirt when our bore will slide there, uh, those scratches will scratch the seal and cylinder again will be leaking. Now let's disassemble all O-rings or rubbers that we can, and then we will put it back again. Theoretically, there's special tool for changing the seals, just to take it off on and off. But I don't have some, and I can guarantee that most likely you also don't have some, because if you had, you don't watch this video because you know how to change seals. Okay, let's imagine that this is our repair kit that comes in a complete. We took off all old seals, and now we want to put on new ones. Um, Only thing that we will should use is not that such gloves, but more like latex gloves or something, because these gloves can easily leave this small dust on it. Also check we have here direction. It's more like, if you see, it's like more V-shaped, and it's pretty easy. Let's see it. Oh, perfect. But theoretically, this should be trickiest, but I think it won't be any problem. Oop. It was fast and easy. Let's put back also centration ring. Okay, and theoretically it's all. Only thing that very also most common seal type for bores are two V-shaped seals, and they're looking like with V shape on each side, just because when pressure go in, the skirt will open a little bit. But this is not that case. This will have only one O-ring. Okay, and we are done here. We just need to test it to be sure that we do everything correct. Okay, we connected our pressure. So far, so good. No hissing sound from uh, any side of valve. It means inner um, seal is okay. Yes, no hissing sound here, here, or here. Everything is quiet. Also, no hissing here. So basically, it is it. Of course, different cylinders have different types of disassembling, how it can be disassembled. For example, here you can see stopper ring. These ones, small ones, you can't disassemble because they have this metallic grip on it. But if you have some question or something, please left a comment, and thank you for watching. See you next one.